WordPress is a popular content management system (CMS) used for creating and managing websites. It powers millions of websites worldwide, ranging from simple blogs to complex business sites. WordPress offers a user-friendly interface, a vast array of customizable themes, and numerous plugins to extend its functionality. Step 1. Install and configure essential SEO plugins. The first step is to install and configure an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO, Rank Math, or All-in-One SEO Pack. These plugins help optimize your website for search engines by adding meta tags, generating XML sitemaps, and suggesting improvements for your content. Step 2. Optimize your website's structure. A well-structured website is essential for SEO. Ensure your website has a clear hierarchy with relevant and descriptive URLs, headings, H1, H2, H3, etc., and internal linking. Use breadcrumbs to help users and search engines navigate your site easily. Step 3. Create unique, high-quality content. High-quality, engaging, and unique content is crucial for ranking well in search results. Research relevant keywords and include them naturally within your content. Focus on providing value to your readers and update your content regularly. Step 4. Optimize images and videos. Optimize your images and videos by compressing them, adding descriptive alt tags, and giving them relevant file names. This helps search engines understand the content of your media files and can improve your website's visibility in image search results. Step 5. Improve website speed and mobile responsiveness. Website speed and mobile responsiveness are crucial ranking factors. Optimize your images, minify your code, and use a content delivery network (CDN) to improve your website's speed. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly by using a responsive theme and testing it on various devices. Step 6. Implement schema markup. Schema markup is a type of structured data that helps search engines understand the content on your website. Implementing schema markup can lead to rich snippets in search results, making your website stand out and potentially increasing click-through rates. Step 7. Leverage social media. Social media can positively impact your SEO by driving traffic to your website and increasing brand awareness. Share your content on relevant social media platforms and encourage users to engage with your content. Step 8. Monitor and analyze your website's performance. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor your website's performance, track keywords, and identify areas for improvement. Analyze your data regularly and adjust your SEO strategy accordingly. Step 9. Earn high-quality backlinks. Backlinks from reputable, relevant websites can significantly improve your website's authority and search rankings. Create valuable content that others will want to link to, and consider guest blogging or collaborating with other websites in your niche to earn high-quality backlinks. Step 10. Stay updated on SEO trends and best practices. SEO is an ever-evolving field, and staying updated on the latest trends and best practices is crucial for maintaining and improving your website's search rankings. Attend webinars, read industry blogs, and participate in online forums to stay informed about the latest SEO developments. By following these advanced SEO techniques for your WordPress website, you can improve your search rankings, drive more organic traffic, and enhance your online visibility in 2024 and beyond.